Triumph of Surgery was written by James Alfred White, who is known by the pen name James Herriot. So he used to write under the name James Herriot, even though his full name is James Alfred White. He used to be known as James Herriot, and he was a British veterinary surgeon and writer, and who used his many years of experiences as a veterinary surgeon to write a series of books, each consisting of stories about animals and their owners. And he is best known for these semi autobiographical works because this is actually taken from his own life. So we can say this is semi autobiographical because some stuffs are just added to give spice to the story. So these stories are semi autobiographical stories, beginning with If Only They Could Talk in 1970, which spawned a series of movies and television series. So this autobiographical works was later turned into movies and even to television series. So you should keep in mind the original name of James Herriot was James Alfred White. A Triumph of Surgery is a story about Tricky, a dog who is a pet of a rich lady named Mrs. Pumphrey. She loves her dog very much and is unable to refuse him anything he wants. Tricky is fond of eating cream cakes and chocolates, so one day when Mrs. Pumphrey is out with Tricky for a walk, the narrator, the author, sees them and stops to walk. While talking to Mrs. Pumphrey, he realizes that she has been overfeeding Tricky and also had been giving him things that he shouldn't eat, due to which Tricky had started looking like a blotted sausage. Soon Tricky got unwell and Mrs. Pumphrey called to Mr. Herriot for help. She doesn't want to send him away, but the only way suggested by the author, Mr. Herriot, is to get him hospitalized for 15 days. And then the story unfolds into how he gets well, and we can see what happens then, whether he got better or not. So I here stands for the author, that is James Herriot, who is actually a veterinary surgeon, a vet surgeon. I was really worried about Ricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. He had become hugely fat, like a blotted sausage with a leg at each corner. His eyes, bloodshot and rheumy, started straight ahead, and his tongue lolled from his jaws. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to explain. He was so listless, Mr. Herriot. He seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition, so I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up. Some malt and cold liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. And did you cut down the sweets things I told you? Oh, I did for a bit, but he seemed to be so weak I had to relent. He loves cream cakes and chocolate so I couldn't bear to refuse him. I looked down again at the little dog. That was the trouble. Tricky's only fault was greed. He had been not he had never been known to refuse food. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night, and I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. Are you giving him plenty of exercise? Well, he has his little walks with me, as you can see, but Horton, the gardener, has been down with lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. Here we can see the narrator, the veterinary surgeon Harriet, starts telling us that how he was worried about the pet dog Tricky. And the narrator, Mr. Harriet, stops his car as he sees Tricky with his mistress on the road. And the narrator is shocked to see Tricky because he looks like a blotted sausage. You can see the image of sausage. So it's the same image of this dog. He's looking like a blotted sausage in the sense that he has become very fat. His eyes are red and watery. It shows the deficiency of something in his body. It shows that he is ill. Mrs. Pumphrey, Tricky's owner, starts giving explanations. She is the owner. Mrs. Pumphrey is the owner and she is explaining what happened to Tricky. She told Mr. Harriet that she thought that Tricky was malnutritioned because he could not have any energy and excitement. He is not having energy and excitement. And she told him that she used to give the dog some malt, cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night. Apart from his regular meals, in addition to that, she is giving him malt, cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night so that he will be able to sleep properly. And although she gave him so much to eat, she says that she doesn't give him much to eat. So actually, the problem is regarding this lady. She is giving him a lot to eat, but she claims that she is not giving that much to eat. Then the narrator, the vet surgeon, asked her if she had cut down on his sweets, as he had asked her to do, to which she replies that she didn't do it for a while. She did do it for a while, but she felt that he was getting weaker, and because of which she had to stop being so harsh with him. So initially the doctor told the lady to cut off the sugar intakes of this dog. Initially, she also obeyed him, but later on, she was unable to be so harsh with the dog. And also, she says that she is unable to refuse him the cakes, the chocolates, as these were the favorites of this dog. And the narrator understood the Tricky's problem. The narrator means the vet surgeon, Harriet. He understood what is actually Tricky's problem. The problem is that Tricky was a very greedy dog and could eat at any time of the day. He did not know how to say no to food when his stomach was full. And the narrator also thought to himself of all the things that Mrs. Pumphrey would not have mentioned, which she fed Tricky. So obviously, this lady might have given more food to Tricky that she hasn't mentioned till now. And again, the narrator asked Mrs. Pumphrey whether Tricky was exercising. And Pumphrey replies that she does take him out for walks once in a while. But he is not playing his ring throwing exercise. Nowadays, he is not playing the ring throwing exercise as a gardener. As a gardener who takes him out to play is not coming these days because of pain in his lower back. So the word meanings are given here. While you're reading the textbook, you have to see the word meanings, okay? If I'm explaining each words, it will be a very lengthy video. So you can see the word meanings given here and you can understand it.